114. Wow, that's a big number. Are you ready, everyone? Okay. Number the pictures in order, then tell the story. All right, all right. What happened first? Well, first is this one. Then, if I remember correctly, it was this. Oh, no. It was this one. The monkey got on the shark's back. Then the shark told him, sorry, I had to steal you because I need your heart. Then the monkey was like, but I left my heart at home. And then they went back to pick it up. Okay? So that's the correct order. Now tell the story. 这是你的小作业。你的小作业就是发到群里，你告诉我这个故事，告诉我这个故事在群里，从你的记忆里拿出来。Okay? I'm gonna do it. First, there was a monkey, and there was a coconut tree. The coconut tree was next to the sea and a town. The monkey would go and eat coconuts every day and would give some coconut to the shark every day. One day, the shark said, wow, you are such a nice monkey. Do you want to come play with me? So the monkey said, no, I don't want to go in the sea. But the shark said, it's okay, jump on my back. Then they swam around, yay! Suddenly, the shark said, sorry, monkey, I tricked you. Our king is ill, and he needs a monkey's heart to make him better. The monkey said, oh, no! The monkey thought, I have an idea. Sorry, shark, I don't bring my heart with me when I go out. I don't have my heart. My heart is in the tree. The shark was very stupid. So he said, okay, let's go back and get your heart. The monkey jumped off the shark's back and said, shark, I'm never getting on your back again. I need my heart. Now get out of here, you trickster. That's it. That's the story. All right. 你发到群里，你自己讲这个故事好不好？ Imagine you are the monkey or the shark in the story. 想一下，你是 monkey or shark. What would you do next? What do you do next? Draw a picture and write about your picture. Okay? So you can choose to be the monkey or the shark. What would I do if... Let me think. What do I want to be? Do I want to be the monkey or the shark? I want to be... the monkey. All right, this is what I'm going to do next. I am going to... First, I'm going to get a coconut out of the tree. This is the monkey. I'm on the tree, and I'm going to get a coconut off of the tree. I've got a coconut. Then I am going to take a piece of coconut, and I'm going to do this. This is poison. You know what that is? That's bones. Poison. I am going to put poison on the coconut. Doop, doop, doop. poison. Poison is du. Then I am going to go up onto the tree and I'm going to say, let's see, here's the tree. And I'm going to say, hello, shark. I won't come in, but I will give you some coconut. And then here's the shark. The shark's right here. And I'm like right here. I'm going to give you some coconut again, shark. And then I'm going to give the shark the poisoned coconut. And in the end, what do you think would happen? I think this would happen. Shark died. That would be bad. But the shark literally tried to kill the monkey, so I think that's good. I think that's justifiable. All right. So first, I would take some coconut. Then I would put poison on it. Then I would give the poison coconut to the shark. Then the shark would die. Oh, sorry, shark, but you tried to trick me and take my heart. All right. I think that's pretty good. That's a pretty good one. Try to trick me and take my heart. Listen and color.
3. Listen and colour. 1.
Can you see the shark in the sea?
Yes, I can.
Right. Now colour it grey.
Pardon?
Colour the shark in the sea grey.
Can you see the shark in the sea? Yes. Color it grey. Okay, I'm coloring it grey. All right, 自己做.
2.
Now find the monkey in the tree.
It's giving fruit to the shark.
Yes, it is. What a funny monkey. Can you colour it brown?
Brown?
That's right.
3.
Look at the girl on the beach.
OK, I can see her. Can I colour her dress?
Yes. Colour it blue.
OK. I really like her blue dress.
4.
Can you see the bird on the boy's arm?
Pardon? Which bird?
The bird on the boy's arm. It's got a very long tail.
Oh, yes, I can see it.
Colour it green.
Right, I'm colouring it green now.
5.
Look at the boy's clothes.
OK, he's wearing a t-shirt and shorts.
Yes, that's right. Colour his shorts yellow.
OK, yellow shorts. I'm doing that now.
6.
Can you see the bird under the monkey?
Yes, it's eating fruit.
Colour it red.
A red bird under the monkey?
That's right. Well done. The picture looks good now.
Good. Let's listen to it again and we'll do it together.
Shark in the sea, grey.
2,
Now find the monkey in the tree.
Monkey in the
It's
tree.
giving fruit to the shark.
Yes, it is. What a funny monkey. Can you colour it brown?
Brown.
Brown?
That's right.
3,
Look at the girl on the beach.
OK, I can see her. Can I colour her dress?
Yes. Colour it blue.
OK,
Okay.
I really like...
The girl on the beach. I want to color her dress. I want to color it blue. Color that dress. Color it blue.
her blue dress.
4,
Can you see the bird on the boy's arm?
Can you see the bird on the boy's arm? Here's a bird. Here's a bird on the boy's arm.
Pardon? Which bird?
The bird on the boy's arm. It's got a very long tail.
Oh, yes, I can see it.
It's got a very long tail. 一个长的尾巴，长的尾巴。
Colour it green.
Color it green. Okay.
Right, I'm colouring it green now.
5,
Look at the boy's clothes.
OK,
Clothes.
he's wearing
Look at the boy's clothes. 看他的衣服。
a t-shirt and shorts.
Yes, that's right. Colour his shorts yellow.
OK,
What's he wearing? He's wearing a t-shirt and shorts. Color the boy's shorts yellow.
yellow shorts. I'm doing that now.
6,
Can you see the bird under the monkey?
Bird
Yes,
under the
it's
monkey.
eating fruit.
Colour it red.
Red
A
bird.
red bird under the monkey?
That's right. Well done. The picture looks good now.
Does it? My picture looks bad. All right. That wasn't so hard, was it? In fact, it was pretty easy. Now let's ask and answer. What are these, guys? Okay. 其实这是你的小作业。你的小作业, your little homework is answer all these questions. Tell me, what are these? Do you eat coconuts? What do you eat for lunch? What is this? Do you eat fish? What do you eat for dinner? What is this? Do you like monkeys? What pet would you like to have? What is this? Can you swim? What do you do on holiday? 把这所有东西都回答在我们的群里，这就是你的小作业，好不好? Right now, I will write my answers to these right here. What are these? These are coconuts. Do I eat coconuts? Yes, I like them. What do you eat for lunch? Sandwiches are my favorite, but I eat lots of different things for lunch. I eat coconuts, fish, monkeys, sharks, poison. What's this? It's a fish. Do you eat fish? Yes. What do you eat for dinner? Lots of different things. 很多不同的东西. What's this? It's a human. 这是一个人. Do you like monkeys? I like to eat them. What pet would you like to have? I would like to eat all kinds of different pets. 我会喜欢吃很多不同的宠物. What's this? It is yummy sand on a beach. Can you swim? Yes. What do you do on holiday? I swim in the hotel toilet. 我游泳在酒店的马桶里面。What do you do? Answer the questions in the group. For now, we're looking at moving on to the next page. Okay, the next page. Look at the pictures and read the questions. Write one-word answers. Igadansadadaan. Examples. How many children are there? 3. What's the boy got on his head? A hat. Okay, how many children are there? 有多少个孩子们? 3. What's the boy got on his head? 他有什么在他的头上? 一个帽子. Okay, stop the video. Do the activity. Come on back. Back yet? What is the girl with the green skirt doing? The girl with the green skirt. This girl has green pants. This girl has a green skirt. So what is she doing? She is listening to 她正在听 music. She's listening to music. Okay. Which animal is next to the flower? 什么动物在 flower 旁边? Well, here are the flowers. Here's a bird. Here's a bug. The bird is close to the flowers, so I think it's a bird. What is the boy eating? The boy is eating... What is that? I don't know. What is that? Do you know what that is? Weird. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna guess it's a green apple. Could be a green apple. What is the boy eating? I don't know. Cake? Because it's just a one-word answer. So a green apple is 3 words. So I'm gonna say like cake. Maybe? I don't know. What are the girls doing? They are sleeping, or just sleeping, because that's just a one-word answer. And where is the spider now? Oh, the spider is on the cake. On the cake. Cool. How'd you do? I hope you did well. There's one more thing to do, and that's play a game. Let's play it. All right, we're back with the game. Today, playing the game is AJ, of course. Handsome AJ, beautiful AJ, cool AJ, and this woman. Hold on. This woman is too beautiful. Let's add a beard. Woohoo! Yeah. Now the woman has a beard, AJ, and the woman with a beard, yikes. Oh, oops, hold on. Something's weird about this. All right, there we go. Start. Okay. Okay, AJ's gonna go first. Let's roll the dice. What am I getting? A 4. Okay, not bad. Not the best, not the worst. Pretty good. AJ, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So, okay, the question is, do they like it? What are the kids doing and do they like it? Okay. They are wearing the same t-shirt. 他们在穿同一个 t-shirt 怎么说? They are wearing the same t-shirt. They are wearing the same t-shirt. Do they like it? Yeah, they like it. They like wearing the same t-shirt. Okay. Bearded woman. Beautiful woman with a beard. Why don't you roll the dice? She gonna get a 1. Ha ha. Just 1. Okay. What are they doing and do they like it? Okay? You tell me. What are they doing? 他们在做什么? They are playing with a ball at the beach. They're playing with a ball at the beach. Do they like it? Yes, they like playing with a ball at the beach. Okay, AJ's turn. Roll that, baby. 5, another big boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is she doing? She's taking photos of AJ. She's taking pictures of AJ. Does she like it? She likes taking photos of AJ. Nice. Okay, here we go. Bearded woman, you ready to roll again? Roll that thing. 2. Haha, another little one. 1, 2. All right, what is this boy doing? Yeah, he's reading a book. Does he like reading a book? He likes reading a book. 或者 he likes to read a book. He enjoys reading a book. He likes reading a book. And AJ. Just 1. Okay, I'll take it this time. Does she like that? What's she doing? She is... The head is on the ice. 头在冰块上面. Just kidding. It's not just a head. It's a whole body. She is swimming. She is swimming. 她在游泳. Does she like swimming? She likes swimming. 或者她享受 swimming 怎么说? She enjoys swimming. Beep doo. Bearded lady. 2. Wow, bearded lady is not doing very good. 1, 2. What are they doing? I think they are eating shells, or they are eating sand. Do they enjoy eating sand? No, they don't enjoy eating sand. They don't like eating sand. I don't like eating sand either. AJ, roll it. 5, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what's he doing? 他在穿一个有斑点的帽子. He is wearing a spotted hat. Does he like wearing his spotted hat? Does he enjoy wearing his spotted hat? Nope, he does not enjoy wearing his spotted hat. He does not like wearing his spotted hat. Mm. Three. Bearded lady, you are really unlucky today. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is this? You're wearing a sun hat. Throw again, okay? You're wearing a hat, so you get to throw again. Throw again means roll again. Throw the dice again. Throw. 2. Geez, she is unlucky. 1, 2. Okay, does the head like sitting on the ice? The head does like sitting on the ice. The head likes swimming. She likes swimming. She enjoys swimming. Hey, I just realized they have other dice. Look at this dice. Let's do this one. 1. Oh, man. What are they doing? They are wearing sunglasses. Do they enjoy wearing sunglasses? Yes, they enjoy wearing sunglasses. They like wearing sunglasses. Let's go with this big one. What? Look at this one. Whoa, 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 whoa. 4 for the bearded lady. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that boy doing? He is looking at some ugly boots. 他正在看一些很臭的 boots. Does he like looking at boots? No. He doesn't like looking at boots. He doesn't enjoy looking at boots. AJ, roll it. Whoa, 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 whoa. 3. A 1 and a 2 and a 3. 他们正在穿同一些短裤。怎么说？ They are wearing the same shorts. Do they like wearing the same shorts? Yes. They like wearing the same shorts. They enjoy wearing the same shorts. Roll it. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wow, that was too big. Let's not. Let's roll again. That was too big. 17, that's too big. 11? We could go with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What are they doing? They are wearing suits in the hot sun. 他们正在穿西服在热的太阳里面. They are wearing hot suits in the hot sun. Do they like it? They don't like wearing suits in the sun. They don't enjoy wearing suits in the sun. AJ's turn. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, does he like swimming? No, he doesn't like swimming. He doesn't enjoy swimming. Okay, we just have a few left, so I'm gonna go with the smallest dice, just 4. Okay, ready? Bearded lady's turn. 3. 1, 2, 3. Does he like looking in the mirror? Yes, he likes looking in the mirror. He enjoys looking in the mirror. AJ's turn. If AJ gets 3, he wins. Let's roll it. Bada bing, bada bing, bo. 1. Come on. Does she like wearing a hat? She likes wearing a hat. She enjoys wearing a hat. Okay, I think the bearded lady's gonna win. 4. Oh, the bearded lady wins. Our bearded lady wins. That means AJ loses. No, no, no. No, AJ loses. She's eating AJ. Watch. She ate me. Ayee, don't eat me. She's eating AJ. Poor AJ. Let's put a beard on AJ. Make AJ big. Now I want to put this beard on AJ. See how I would look with a beard. Do you think I'll look handsome? I think I will. Okay, that's pretty cool actually. Maybe I'll grow a beard. Alright, that's AJ with a beard. Do you like it? Alright, guys. I shall see you later. Bye.